What's going on, everybody? It's Jason with Treadz Mobile. Yeah, I just wanted to throw a quick video out here to A, introduce myself, but B, more importantly, show you my rig, show you what Treadz Mobile operates, what you can expect to see, when you do give us a call, what you can expect to show up for service. Treadz Mobile, again, we are a completely mobile tire shop. We service anything from a simple flat repair to wheel sales, tire sales, anything in between, TPMS. We got you covered on stuff like that. So again, we operate out of South Orange County, California. That's where I'm coming live from today, is South Orange County. If you have any service needs, definitely take a look below and get the number, give us a call. We're more than happy to help you folks out. And a little bit about my channel here. I'm going to cover, mostly mobile tire stuff, how to DIY, things I'm learning along the way. Again, I'm not a professional, but I play one on TV. And, I'm going to dabble as well in youth sports and sports in general, just because I have two boys that are in youth sports as well. And then, I got a child on the way. So we're going to cover just different reviews and stuff of youth sports and stuff here in Southern California, as it is huge here. I'm sure as it is everywhere else. So again, just back to the van, the flagship itself. We just want to show you what you can expect to see. Here it is right here. It is your Mercedes Sprinter 2500. And in and out, we are operating, obviously with Corgi machines, inside. I'm operating with the Corgi Master J touchless tire machine. It is incredible to use this thing on any type of wheel, from a simple steel wheel up to a carbon fiber style wheel. I'm also obviously using a Corgi EM 9280 balancer. It's not a road force balancer, but definitely just as good. Anything a mobile brick and mortar tire shop would have, I've got it inside here. I've got torque specs, I've got tire pressure specs, I've got tools, balancer, spacers, I got mini Cheetah guns, I've got the big boy, Cheetah CH5, for popping them beads on tires. The Corgi machine is outstanding here. We offer nitrogen fills as well. I am self-contained inside here, so I do have a nice little setup compressor-wise. We are also green. We're solar. I've got 4 panels up top. We produce our own power. I don't have a gas generator that's blowing and creating power for me, so I've got really everything that I need inside my van here. Let me bring you around back. Here I have a little bit of tire space, my jacks. I'm a huge fan of utilizing, jack point jack stands. They are incredible, and when you're working on top-notch cars, you need to have the best. Obviously, the standard issue jacks are good, but when you're working on quality vehicles and you need to leave it up for X amount of time, jack point jack stands is the way to go. Obviously, living in Southern California, got to have a rinse kit. Whether you're surfing or whether you're just dirty, everyone has a rinse kit, and I use that obviously when I get a little bit of dirty to clean up before I head out to the next job or head over to the sandwich shop. Race ramps, cars too low, torque wrenches, I've got everything that I need to be able to get the job done completely safe. But I mean, realistically here, again, the video is just to kind of show you folks and kind of bring you up to speed with, the mobile tire service. The business itself, the industry is taking off a lot. There are a lot of different manufacturers and companies that are coming out there and that are actually, bringing vans to the market. I mean, you've got Goodyear, you've got Just Tires here in Southern California. It is a growing industry, and we just want to bring you along for the ride on it. And, again, I am not completely perfect. I'm learning along the way as well. Love to have you folks along the way with me. If you have any questions, hit me down below in the comments. If you have anything that you'd like to see in the future coming up, ask me. If I can answer it, I will. If I need to get help getting the answer, you got that too. So I appreciate the time. I'd like you guys to maybe subscribe to the channel, and we'll go from here. Thanks a lot. Take care.